with these things that you say that I be wondering why. When I don't say what I'm thinking, that don't mean that I'm shocked. That on the shit that you put out for me, that's why I'm so fly. Your best friend, come on. I want you around all the time. I want you around me all the time. Be your best friend. And you promise you'll be mine. Girl, promise you'll be mine. Please say it's just a friend. Now, girl, let's not pretend. Either he is or he ain't your man. He say it's just a friend. If I was your best friend, lady. Oh. Yeah. I just wanna chill and twist the luck. Gangsters in my 745. You drive me crazy, short, yeah. Need to see you feeling next to me. I provide everything you need, now. Like you smile that I won't see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask you now. Hope you can come out with it. Come on, girl. It's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was? And would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was? And would you still have love for me? Look at my brother off tomorrow, would you still love me? If I didn't smell so good, would you still love me? If I got locked up, sent this to a quarter century, can I count on you to be there to support me mentally? If I went back to a hooping from a bed, would you poof, disappear? Like some of my friends, if I was hitting out, certain you be by my side. Bitch trying to put work, but you be down the ride. I get out and kill a nigga, can't be chillin' dry. I'm asking questions to find out how you feel inside. If I ain't rapping, I flip burgers to Burger King. Would you be the same? Tell your friends you feelin' me. In the bed, if I use my tongue, would you like that? If I wrote you a little letter, would you write back? And we can have a little trip, you know, a night trip. Then we can go through what you like, I know you like that. Come on, girl, it's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was? And would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was? And what? Would you still have love for me? Now would you leave me if you fall? Found out I was stuck in. Do you believe me when I tell you you're the one I love? Are you mad cause I'm asking you 21 questions? Are you my soulmate? If so, girl, you're a blessing. Do you trust me enough to tell me your dreams? I'm staring at you trying to figure how you got them things. If I was down, would you say things to make me smile? I treat you how you want to be treated, you teach me how. If I was with some other chick and someone had to see, don't you ask me about it, I said it wasn't me. Would you believe me or believe me? I keep us out born, and that's all it takes for you to be gone. We only humans, girl, we make mistakes. To make it up, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat king love cake. You know my style, I say anything to make you smile. Girl, it's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was? And would you still have love for me, girl? It's easy to love me. Say what? Would you love me if I was? And would you still have love? Would you love me in a Bentley? Would you love me on the bus? I asked 21 questions, and they all about us. Could you love me in a Bentley? Could you love me on the bus? I asked 21 questions, and they all about us. I got something for you now. I got something for you now.